Welcome back to Barcelona Mobile World Congress 2023. As usual, this video brought to you by Belkin. More about them in a moment. We're up at Hall 7, down the back a bit, and I found this booth with these amazing phones. Check them out. So all three of these have been in this tank all day, and it's about, what, 5 o'clock, 5:11 to be exact, here in Barcelona. Now, these are tough phones. They're made in China. The business has been around for 3 years, and they've got a few of them, and they vary between 100 and 400 euros. And this one here's like a tank, and they're available online through Amazon in Europe. Now, I mentioned in the water, the ratings. So it's just not like a normal rating with IP68. These things can stay underwater, as you see, still working for 24 hours at 1.5 meters. Or if you just want to go for a shorter dip, 8 hours at 3 meters. So these things are unbelievably tough. It runs on Android 12. It's Gorilla Glass on the front. The market, they say, is for delivery drivers, those sorts of things, people who want adventures. They do have cameras, and I checked them out. They're not too bad. Here's a couple of examples you can see here. So if you're looking for a tough phone that you have to make emergency contact with someone when you're out and about, this is probably the one for you. As I said, available through Amazon, and it's IIIF150 with the 3 eyes. This video and many more from Mobile World Congress 2023 made possible by Belkin. And just before this trip to Spain, I unboxed a whole heap of new gear from Belkin that will protect your phone, make using your phone a lot easier with wireless charging, the best iPhone and Android wireless chargers you can buy. The best cables too. Belkin has been a world leader in technology accessories for more than 4 decades, so when you're shopping for accessories, think Belkin first.